and invest in this sector. And of course, agar tea, it is also agar tea. It is also one of the emerging segment out of this leaves produced by this tree. We can produce some beverages and we can promote this agar tea as a nutraceutical product. Then agar inoculum, again as I was discussing, there is a combination of some biological and chemical ingredients which can induce some disease in the tree, that is called artificial inoculation, and that is also having work. For each tree, at least 5,000 rupees worth of inoculum is required to be induced. So if we can calculate, since we have 1.5 crore worth of trees multiplied by 5,000 rupees per tree sort of inoculum production capacity, there is a huge business opportunity for development of this inoculum produced through some of the biotechnology setups actually. So this is also one of the major area where you can come and invest. Again, distillation units. Whatever the 34 processing units which we are having in our state, they are all conventional and very sort of basic infrastructure people are having. And there is a huge scope in this segment also, where you can come up with the advanced laboratory facilities, distillation facilities, like CO2 critical extraction, then hydro distillation units, then steam distillation sort of units. And from there, you can generate very good quality product like agar oil, and we can export at premium price. This is also one of the segment where you can come and invest. And again, wood, attar and perfume manufacturing. This is also one of the valuable area where we can do your investment. Unfortunately, all of our raw oils, they are getting exported to the Middle East, and from Middle East it is going to European countries like France and Italy. There they are getting manufactured, value added as perfumes and ethers, and they are coming back to our states, and we are again we are having the big market for these perfumes. If we can do this value addition in form of perfumery and ethers and all, so we can again facilitate you for the export of this produce to the required destinations. So accordingly, this is one of the important investment opportunity. And again, we are having wood, hydrosol, body care products. This is also one new segment. So many cosmetic companies, they are showing interest. They can come and we will facilitate with all of our incentive opportunities. And this is one of the area where you can come and invest. Then again, there is a huge emerging market for agarbatti puja samagri, including agarbatti. Agarbatti name itself, from the time immemorial, during the Veda period, this name have come from this product actually. Agarbatti is supposed to be this agar produced. That's why the name have come. But because of its more costly in nature, agar is not there, but agar name remained. Now we are trying to rejuvenate this concept again, and at least this produce we can promote in the at premium temples and aromatherapy industry we want to bring. So again, it is a great opportunity for all of you, for the industry companies, particularly those who are already there in this agarbatti manufacturing industries. They can come and they can produce this unique selling product like agarbatti. And again, as a dhub, as a puja samagri for havan samagri sort of material, this material can be very well branded and can be utilized. So this is also one of the segments where you can come and invest. So this is the investment potential where for each unit how much it may require and what is the land size you may require. You can go through it and accordingly you can plan for your investments. These are some of the export case studies which we have. For the first time, actually there was a ban from India to export on this product because we require to do some CITES regulatory requirements. With the support of all the Government of India departments like MOFCC and DGFT, we have fulfilled all those requirements and we break that ban, and now we have successfully brought that export quota to this agar oil and agar chips, and we are the first state in India following all the legal compliances. Successfully we have exported. One consignment I can say proudly, one consignment has gone with a capacity of 16 liters in a small container, but the value of that consignment is 1.2 crore. So it is such a valuable, low value, high value and low volume commodity for which there is a huge demand in the Middle East and other European countries. So we are having very good youth. It is again the extraction of this agar chips and agar oil is a very skill-oriented job, and luckily we have trained all of our youth in this segment, and we are having very good number of skill-trained youth for taking care of this agarwood oil and chips extraction. And Government of India is also supporting us by establishing modern distillation units, integrated cluster developments, and international trade and research center where we can do the business for this commodity like stock exchange business. So that sort of facilities we are coming. Now, why you have to invest in Tripura in this segment in the northeastern region? That is what I told. We have abundant number of resources. That is 1.5 crore trees. Policies already we have built user-friendly policies. Then one dedicated institute like our institute NCOE is doing as a single window platform. And 2000, the best thing is 2000 crore potential in every year. So I would like to request all of you, already that ecosystem is built, that proper coordination and institutional linkages are happening. This already potential is there. So I would like to request all of you to come over there and to unlock this potential. Thank you very much.